This is Fast Break 4 box number 10. We're down to 4. Packs are coming out.
4.
Take your points. Take your points for what, Knutson?
Fast break. Makes sense, Kelly. Do I minus all this?
Oh, if you're good, Knutson. You don't have to. We'll still take the 80. You're good. You can kill for 80. Knutson, you're good. Thank you, Knutson.
Thank you, Dustin.
What's this NBA stuff? I want to open NBA. I want to open in Topps Chrome. That's the real stuff.
You're still live?
Yeah. No, now this is the time of night picks up.
Oh.
They have 200 in there.
Oh, wow.
Because everyone gets off. Then
Oh, that
they
makes
stay
sense.
on. Yeah.
That's smart.
See gold early. Good luck. I don't want to do this. What is this? I want to do Topps Chrome. Why are we opening this? I want to open Topps Chrome.
What is this?
Kawhi Disco. Night Leaf.
Good night, Lee.
And Brandon Miller. Blue Montage. 14 of 85. Strother. What is this stuff? This isn't Topps Chrome. No one asked you, Ortiz. No one asked you. Disaster on the gold for Veronica Looney. Someone go kill Topps Chrome 48 so we can see a real product. Henderson. Want to go open a real product. Debut disco of Lively. Anthony Davis, blue. Nice. Variation of Brandon Miller. Leonard Miller, disco. Ooh, nice. G.G. Jackson, pink auto. 1 of 15 for Big Salo.
Oh, nice, Big Salo.
That's sick. 1 of 15. Rookie fast break auto. That's sick. What a first box. An Anthony Black purple debut. Nice first box. Relax, Ortiz. Wemby rookie. What's this? This just doesn't stop.
Oh.
Blue introductions of Wemby. 56 of 85. There's a numbered Wemby piece. There it is. Very nice piece. Whitmore disco. We're getting hot right now. Wemby debut base. Take your 48s. Purple of Slauson. Tucker. Nice. City Edition blue. Scoot Henderson. This stuff's actually really good for this stuff. It actually is. I'm just joking. And as I say that, that's a Wemby variation.
Oh.
I'm just saying, like, it is. Stuff's really good for the price. It's a joke. I just love Topps Chrome. Henderson, True Disco. Doc Rivers for the Hawks. Matherin on the purple. Send the variation to grading. You got it, Dookie.
Oh, great.
There's Miller. Bank shot disco of Miller. Pods. Debut. Tatum. Disco. Brandon Ingram. Blue. This is silver. Duncan Robinson. Purple. Garland. Keontae George variation. Durant City Edition Disco. Ricky Council. It's actually gold. It's a nice piece. Gold auto for Philly. Nice. Schroeder. Really nice break so far. Really nice. And as I say that, Keontae George on the true blue. The Jazz. Kason Wallace, Disco. Blue, Chris Middleton. Duran. Joker City Edition. Really nice 4-boxer so far. Do I see more gold? No, I don't. Unless it comes out of nowhere. Wemby montage. Blue of Wiggins. Sasha for the Kings. Jaquez debut. Nice. Scoot Henderson variation. Nice piece. Purple of Alex Caruso. It's the break. A lot of nice color. Nice GG. Wemby's. GG auto for grading. Yes. GG's going to grading. Going to grading. Going to beating. Nice break. Good night, Nutson.